Hello everyone. Let's have a look at this dynamic block. We can just move it by this grip to shift its location. Flip it if necessary at any direction. Rotate the text to required angle or horizontal. If need to change the size of the door, just click at this list icon and choose the required size. And if we move it by this grip, it will automatically align to the destination line. We do not need to go on trimming everywhere after we set the door. It will automatically hide the wall line at the door area. So, won't it be great to have this kind of dynamic block while we are working on the building drawings? I have shared a download link for sample drawing file with this block. You can download and have a look. Or, let's learn how we can create one with our desired layer and types. If you are new here, welcome to my channel CAD Magics. You can find many other useful videos on my channel which will certainly help to grow your AutoCAD drafting skill. Anyway, let's jump to the tutorial. First of all, let's create the door how we want to show in our plan drawing. Here I will draw very quickly and as simple as possible. You can create as per your practices. So, this is how I show doors on my building plan drawings. Let's say we have the wall thickness of 9 inch. Create or select the required layer for doors. I will draw a line on this wall and offset it for 3 feet for now. Generally we say the width of door also includes the frame at both sides. Let's make door frame side post, size is 3 inch by 2 inch. Copy it to other side too. Draw a door panel with 1 inch thick and length up to the next side. And let's put the text for door labeling inside a circle. Let's call 3 feet door as D1. So, this is very basic requirement for showing the door in building plans. And, there are different types, or you can create your own style for door indication. Now let's convert this set to a block. Select all the elements and type B and press enter. Let's give the name as single panel doors. Click here for base point for pick point. Then click at this point for the base point. Since we have already selected the block components, just click OK. Now we have created a door block with single door size. So let's add other options and control grips to this block. Double click on this block and click OK. Now let's first create other sizes of doors. Let's click at the parameter on block authoring palettes. Click on the visibility parameter. This grip is for selecting different options for door sizes or types. Let's put this grip at the bottom of this circle. Let's copy all the components with base point or by 0, 0 coordinate. Now, double-click at this visibility text. We can see current visibility state as name visibility state 0. This means this visibility is saved at name visibility state 0. But, let's change the name to something easy and understandable. Select this and click at this rename. Then let's type 3 feet door. Click anywhere when finish. We can create many options from here. For that we can click at this new button. Then we can choose the options which applies on the newly created visibility state. Since we will not show any existing elements from this 3 feet door option, we will select the first option. This will create new visibility without any elements or it will be very empty space. And let's give the visibility state name as 2.5 feet door. We will create a 2.5 feet door on this visibility state. Then just click OK. Then we can choose among these options on which we want to make changes. For now we are at 2.5 feet door. Just click at OK. Since we had chosen to hide all the elements from the first option, we are seeing empty space here. And we can switch between other visibility states from here at any time. So let's paste the door elements we have copied before. Type Ctrl+V. For insertion point, type 0, 0 and press Enter. Now let's call this option as D2. Let's modify the drawing for the size of 2.5 feet. Offset this line to 2.5 feet and adjust others accordingly. Now let's check if it is working or not. Close Block Editor, save the changes. We can try switching between these options from here. If we want to add any other door size or types, we can just double-click on this block. Make sure our block name is selected, click OK. Here we double-click on this visibility. Click on New. Provide the visibility state name. Let's say 2 feet door. Select Hide All option. Click OK. Select the new created state and click OK. We can draw new set or just paste the copied and modify them. After done, close Block Editor, save the changes. If you want, you can just work with this visibility with multiple options. But it will be very easy if we also add these flip parameters, align parameter and rotation for this text rotation. So let's add them all to our block. Now let's add rotation parameter to this text first so that we can always rotate this text to the required direction after flipping or placing the door at any direction. For this, go to the parameters and click on this rotation parameter. Click at the center of this circle for base of rotation. Then let's click at this right edge for grip location. Then type 360 and press Enter to be able to rotate this text and circle to all direction. Now, go to Actions tab and click at this rotate. Then select the angle 1 parameter. Then select both text and circle and press Enter. Now this circular grip will help us to rotate this text even outside the block editor. We can check if we like. Close the block editor. Save the changes. We can try rotating the text with this grip. It works. But if we change the block visibility to any other, we will not see this rotation grip. So we must add this rotation parameter and rotation action on all the visibility states which we use. For that, repeat the whole process. Double-click the block. Click OK. Switch to another visibility. Click Rotation Parameter. Click at Center of Circle for base point of rotation. Click at the right edge of the circle for rotation grip placement. Type 360 and press Enter for enabling 360-degree rotation. Go to Action. Click at Rotate Action. Select the Angle 2 parameter. Then select both circle and text and press Enter. In this way, we have to switch to all the visibility states and add this rotation parameter to the text and circle. Now double-click on this block. Select the block, or if it's already selected, just click at OK. Let's first add the parameters for 3 feet door. So, let's select 3 feet door from here. Select Flip from this parameters. Let's put the flip icon somewhere in this line. Click either upside or downside for the flipping plane line. Click for the flip state text somewhere near it. This icon will help to flip all the elements in the horizontal direction. Again, just press Enter for same command. That is flip parameter. This time let's click somewhere between these 2 points. Click either left or right side for the flipping place line. Click for the flip state text somewhere near it. Now let's click at this action tab. Click on this flip action. Click on this flip state 1. Then select all and press Enter for select objects. Again repeat. Select flip action from action tab or just press Enter to repeat as command. Click on flip state 2, then select all and press Enter. Repeat this whole steps for 2.5 feet door 2. Select flip from this parameters. Let's put the flip icon somewhere in this line. Click either upside or downside for the flipping plane line. Click for the flip state text somewhere near it. This icon will help to flip all the elements in the horizontal direction. Again, just press Enter for same command. That is flip parameter. This time let's click somewhere between these 2 points. Click either left or right side for the flipping place line. Click for the flip state text somewhere near it. Now let's click at this action tab. Click on this flip action. Click on this flip state 1. Then select all and press Enter for select objects. Again repeat. Select flip action from action tab or just press Enter to repeat as command. Click on flip state 2, then select all and press Enter. Now let's add alignment parameter. Click on the parameter tab and click at this alignment. Let's click at this midpoint of this line and click at any side along this line so that this door will align to any wall line with this line. And for this alignment parameter we do not need to add action. Then switch back to 3 feet door and repeat alignment parameter. And since we have missed this alignment parameter to the set of flipping elements, we must add it. For that we can just right-click on this command icon, Action Selection Set, New Selection Set. Then select all and press Enter. Repeat this for this flip state 2 also. Then switch to 2.5 feet door and repeat similarly. Then close the block editor. Save the changes. Now, let's try using this block on our plan. We can move it by this base point grip. Since we have alignment grip, move the block with the alignment grip and see. The block automatically gets rotated and aligns to the face over which we put our cursor. Click to place the block. Then we can just click on action grips for flipping and rotating text. Our block is almost ready. But up to this, we still need to trim the lines at the door opening part. So let's see how we can tackle this problem. Let's double-click on this block. Click OK. Just type wipeout command and click at this 4 corners and press Enter. Then select this wipeout frame. Click at this Tools option and at Draw Order, click at Send to Back. Again repeat the same to other state. Type wipeout command and click at these 4 corners and press Enter. Select the wipeout frame, click at Tools and Draw Order and Send to Back. Again, we can't forget to add this wipeout frame to our flip action parameter. Otherwise this wipeout will not flip or move with respect to the door elements. So let's right-click at the parameter icon. Action Selection Set. And click on New Selection Set. Select all and press Enter. Repeat same for next parameter too. Also for other visibility states. And make sure your wipeout frame variable is set to 0. Type wipeout frame and press Enter, and type 0 and press Enter for this. Now we can close the block editor and save the changes. Then we can see the door block will hide the wall lines completely or make it faint. Faint line may be shown because of the difference in line weight. Now our block is completely ready to be used. We can just copy it, move it by alignment to the required location, and flip it if required, and rotate the text if required. I have shared this file which you can download and check. There are already lots of videos on block tutorial and Lisp files on my channel. And I am going to upload more useful videos in coming days. So, if you like what you have learned, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to get the new updates. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.